Hi, my name is Jesse Cocktail, and I'm the European Entertainment Specialist at Vectorworks. Thank you for attending this presentation about GDTF and MVR. Imagine a world where lighting fixtures just worked first time every time. This is what we're aiming at with the new general device type format. It's founded on the premise that lighting manufacturers know precisely how their devices are built and how they're intended to work. Nowadays, lighting fixtures and other DMX-controlled devices are becoming more and more complex. The development of these devices is faster than ever. New devices are designed with very complex structures and multiple instances. They have more complex color mixing systems and mode dependencies. Of course, this gives enormous flexibility to the user, but makes it nearly impossible for lighting console manufacturers, CAD and pre-visualization software developers to provide accurate fixture type data as quickly as is needed. There are many different consoles and software manufacturers on the market, and all of them are using different ways and different file formats to get the fixture data into their systems. As the development of new high-end fixtures and devices takes place at an amazing speed, this creates a lack of available control data on the side of the console, CAD and pre-visualization software manufacturers. Also, fixture manufacturers are often approached by their clients directly to support them with accurate fixture types. As there are so many different consoles, CAD packages and visualizers on the market, this process requires vast knowledge of many different systems. Fixture manufacturers would need to understand how every one of the possible applications works and how to provide the required data. The lighting designer who would like to use these new devices has to deal with a range of obstacles. They often receive the device control data of a specific new fixture or device far later than expected. The data may be incomplete because it was not created by the manufacturer of the fixture. Typically, the data will only be in a form usable by a single lighting console, CAD package or visualizer. This very clearly demonstrates that our industry is missing a standardized way of defining the description and control of intelligent fixtures and other DMX controllable devices. The process of creating new shows is diverse, frequently disconnected, time-consuming, and it often requires the manual mapping of data with a high chance of error. General device type format simplifies the entire workflow. It creates a common data exchange language, which is the pillar of a fully connected workflow from CAD to previs to console. Although there is no single correct process for creating a new show or event design, all designers have to deal with similar challenges during their creative process. GDTF will contain all the information required to control and visualize all kinds of devices, like lighting fixtures, video, pyro, water effects, special effects, or lasers, in a standardized manner. It supports the manufacturers to structure and provide all relevant data to make their devices look the best on stage and during visualization. GDTF makes the overall workflow much more efficient. Fixture manufacturers only need to provide one single file containing all relevant data for everybody. Lighting console, CAD, and pre-visualization software manufacturers receive accurate data directly from the person who best knows the device's full capabilities and how it needs to be controlled for optimum performance. The user gets data provided by the manufacturer quickly and efficiently and benefits from the precision and quality which can only be obtained from the source that has designed the device. General device type format was designed and jointly developed by MA Lighting Technology, Roby Lighting, and Vectorworks. Together, they founded the GDTF Group. GDTF has been developed as an open standards-based format, allowing manufacturers involved in entertainment design, production, and performance to easily participate and help establish GDTF as a true standard for our industry. Especially since there are no costs for participating companies, embracing GDTF is very attractive. The interest in pushing the idea of GDTF forward quickly is very high. Many companies have already started to work with the new GDTF standard, and all of them love the idea of making life easier for the whole industry. Many of the leading manufacturers and software developers in the entertainment industry are now involved. This is by no means a complete list. A GDTF file creates a unified definition for the exchange of device data between consoles, CAD, and pre-visualization software. A file is designed to replicate the real-world physical components of the most complex devices and to provide control based on this information. It contains and is derived from the 3D geometry of the device. This enables the possibility to describe fixtures with repeating functionalities in different parts of the device. The physical behavior of mechanical parts and the light source is also part of a GDTF file. It even includes detailed information about the color spectrum of the used emitters. Furthermore, a GDTF file summarizes visualization information like gobo wheels, color wheels, or animation wheels. The GDTF standard even provides an intelligent way of how to visualize complex macro channels. All DMX control profiles of all modes and in each firmware version of the device are included in one single file for all kinds of software. A GDTF file uses the same structure to provide all important data. The file is human readable and structured as an uncompressed zip file. Even though a GDTF file is based on a robust specification, it is subject to change, and there still will be updates to guarantee advancement. Therefore, GDTF has been developed to be both extensible and backwards compatible. One can truly say that the structure is made to be used in the long-term future. The GDTF group has put a lot of effort into creating documentation and software tools to support all interested partners in a best possible way. The following tools are publicly available. The GDTF Wiki describes the specification of GDTF. The GDTF Builder is an independent tool to create GDTF files. The GDTF Builder Online Manual explains the features and functions of the builder. The GDTF Share is our online database for all users. The GDTF Forum provides a discussion platform, FAQ, and tutorial area for quick help. All tools are maintained by the GDTF group on a regular basis to fulfill the needs of all participating companies. Furthermore, the GDTF group is more than happy to support everybody who is interested in this revolutionary idea. All these resources can be found on our website, gdtfshare.com. Imagine a world where data exchange between CAD software, pre-visualization, and lighting console is just a click away and simply works. That's the possibility of the new My Virtual Rig MVR format. The GDTF group has consequently extended the advantages of the new GDTF format and created a GDTF-based bidirectional link between CAD software, lighting console, and pre-visualization. Nowadays, importing CAD data from one software to the other can be a tough task. Often, different file formats with limited compatibility are used, and there is no real standard for CAD data exchange. Very often, it is faster to redraw the entire design than trying to fix the errors introduced by importing these files. With the help of MVR, all this can be fixed easily. An MVR file is built on the foundation of GDTF and contains GDTFs for all the DMX controllable devices used in your designs. An MVR also contains other important data, such as the 3D design of your stage and the environment around it. The file also includes the entire DMX patch and positional data of your design, which provides the contextual data needed to make use of the GDTFs contained in the MVR. Additionally, all data records attached to objects in the design, such as fixture power consumption or its name, are included. In our industry, efficient collaboration between the different designers, planners, and companies involved in a project is vital to delivering a successful show or event, especially when you consider the short timeframes often involved. Currently, there is often a lot of time lost due to duplicated workflows and single directional data exchanges. Whether it is from CAD to CAD or from CAD to previs or console, the exchange of important data is difficult. MVR offers new possibilities to our industry. Users can dramatically decrease the time needed to prepare a project. MVR enables the export from and into any element involved in the design process. It is now possible to patch your console right out of your CAD software or pre-visualization application. When changes are made during the pre-programming, the user can easily update the CAD documentation with the help of an MVR file exported from the console or the previous software. Furthermore, it is much easier now to share project data with other involved companies and colleagues. They simply import the MVR file that you have sent or export the MVR file that you need. This bi-directional communication between all groups involved in the project creates completely new workflows. It makes the project coordination and sharing far easier and greatly reduces the duplication of work previously required. MVR will revolutionize how our industry designs, plans, documents, and pre-programs shows and events. Thank you for listening, and are there any questions?